You don't really need a fancy sewing machine with all the bells and whistles when you're looking to do some quick mending or hemming or even simple piecing. Singer's M1000 is the perfect machine for those sewists on the go. I'm going to tell you all about it today. The Singer M1000 mending machine just might be the cutest sewing machine I've ever seen. It only weighs 5.5 pounds, which means it's really lightweight and really portable. It's great for small sewing spaces, and it's easy to store. It's also easy to grab for those quick sewing tasks. This little mechanical machine is perfect for simple mending of lightweight to medium weight fabrics, and it's got so many awesome features. It has a top drop-in bobbin that's easy to insert and keep an eye on your bobbin thread supply. The free arm makes it super easy to sew hems and cuffs, especially if you're working on little garments. And it has 32 stitch applications to cover all of your basic sewing needs. There's a straight stitch, which has multiple options for length and width, as well as needle positions built right in. It also has a basting stitch function, which I love. There's a blind hem stitch, multiple options for a zigzag stitch, and a multi-step zigzag, which is great for mending, especially kid clothes. My tip is to open up the side inseam a little bit. It really allows you access for those knee holes, and this machine is perfect for getting into those small spaces. It even comes with a finger guard. For more information about this machine and to get one for yourself, go to singer.com, especially if you have any travel sewing plans coming up. I know I won't be leaving home without it.